Welcome to an exciting exploration of the power of hypothesis testing. In this video, we'll unravel the mysteries of statistical tests and discover how they can help us make evidence-based decisions. So, grab a seat and prepare to dive into the fascinating world of hypothesis testing. What is hypothesis testing? Well, imagine you're a scientist with a burning question. Hypothesis testing is like a compass, guiding you through the vast ocean of data to find answers. It's not about guesswork or gut feelings, but about using statistical techniques to draw meaningful conclusions. The importance of hypothesis testing cannot be overstated. It allows us to make informed choices in the face of uncertainty. By subjecting our hypotheses to rigorous testing, we can separate facts from mere speculation and avoid drawing false conclusions. It's a crucial tool in scientific research, where we strive for accuracy and credibility. Now, let's explore the types of statistical tests. We have parametric tests, like the t-test and ANOVA, which make assumptions about the data distribution. And then, we have non-parametric tests, like the Mann-Whitney U-test and Wilcoxon-signed rank test, which are more flexible and robust when data violates assumptions or is categorical. Choosing the right test is like selecting the perfect tool from your data analysis toolkit. It depends on the nature of your data and research question. If you're comparing means, the t-test or ANOVA might be your go-to options. But if you're dealing with categorical data, chi-square test or Fisher's exact test could be your trusty companions. Now comes the thrilling part, conducting the hypothesis test. It's like embarking on a scientific experiment. You gather your data, select the appropriate test, and analyze the results. You compare the p-value to a significance level to determine if your findings are statistically significant. But remember, statistical significance doesn't always mean practical significance. Beware of misinterpreting the p-value, p-hacking, neglecting assumptions, and falling into the correlation-causation trap. Stay vigilant and embrace scientific integrity throughout your journey. As we conclude this exciting journey, remember to formulate clear hypotheses, choose tests wisely, interpret results holistically, and always seek knowledge and guidance. Hypothesis testing is a powerful tool that allows us to uncover the truth and make informed decisions based on evidence. So, armed with the knowledge of hypothesis testing, embark on your own data analysis adventures. Unravel the mysteries hidden within your data and unlock the true power of statistical tests. Happy testing!